je. Hai, Assalamualaikum.
Yes,
Bersama dengan saya Yasmin Hani.
Dan saya Katrina Ross dalam rancangan Min and Cat. Double the fun.
Wow. Siapa ni? You perkenalkan guest kita yang pertama ni.
I punya guest yang pertama, a beautiful model.
Oh.
Yes, a beautiful actress.
Vampire
My kakak. People say she's half vampire, because dia tidak dimakan usia.
Yes.
She's also a wonderful businesswoman. I heard she's a businesswoman. Kita akan tanya dia. Kita persilakan Datin Maria Parisa.
Forever, look. She's the same. Look at her. Dulu ni dah selama ni. Allah. Cantik
You makan
lah.
potion apa kakakku?
The same portion yang you makan.
Oh my God.
Kita tak cukup dosik
You
kakaknya
tak
lah.
cukup. You tak cukup.
Macam tu.
Look
Kita
at
tak cukup.
her. Ni daripada zaman dia model sampai she's a superstar right now.
But
That's
look who's
what's up.
talking. You guys
No,
are
not
so
that.
beautiful.
Alah, she's so sweet. She's so sweet.
I know. Kan look at her.
I know.
Okay, kita bersama dengan guest kita yang seterusnya. Memang sesuai, memang sepadan dengan kita berempat ini. Dia ni memang sangat gila. Kawan lama I juga.
Oh, kawan
Dia
lama
ni seorang
kita lah.
pelakon, penyanyi, model macam you.
My twin flame.
Yes, your twin flame. Kita bersama dengan Tony Yusa. We handsome-nya. Wow.
Come on. Dia bagi-bagi vibe kita staying alive tonight. Staying
Saya
alive.
dia bagi tahu kena datang glam-glam.
Yes, memang.
Memang kena sesuai lah.
Yes.
I also feel that I macam over lah.
Tak ada. Over sikit je.
Kita appreciate semuanya.
Tak ada yang over dekat sini. I nak tahu baju you siapa punya baju ni?
Baru dapat hadiah daripada saudara Izwan Ismail.
Oh, cantik.
Nice.
This one is fine.
Di Malaysia.
Yes.
Very
Saya
nice.
sangat, jarang-jarang saya dapat baju daripada designer tau. Jadi bila dapat kita
appreciate.
lah.
Yes.
And you look so good in it, Tony.
Don't touch it again.
Yes.
You know what the material is?
Toleh. What?
Just feel, you know what the material is?
What?
Daddy material.
Raja tu tak geli lah kau.
Jom.
Kita nak tanya
Jom.
Mak, Datin pula pakai baju siapa Datin?
Baju I jahit sendiri.
Oh, wow.
Macam cipta lah you.
Jahit sendiri
Saya pula.
daripada kecil memang cita-cita I to be designer tapi tak sampai kan.
Right.
So in the end jadi pelakon lah.
Faham.
Okay, tapi when you started dulu, you were a model, betul kan?
I started,
Because I remember looking at you in magazines dulu, buat fashion, apa semua in magazines. Was that right?
Correct.
Okay.
I started as a model
Right?
and then dancer
You were a dancer.
and then host.
Wow.
Barulah pelakon.
Pelakon.
Kit Kat Club.
Oh yeah, wow.
Okay,
People seem to
Masa
forget
kat-
that.
masa
So
kat Kit Kat Club
that's
tu-
one of my secrets.
Masa
Like,
KK Club tu,
Wow.
you must have been only what, 12?
13.
how old were you?
How old were you masa kecil?
Actually about 16, 17. I started very young.
Ah.
So, Kit Kat Club tu bukan you dengan Linda so semua tu ke?
No, Linda
Bukan.
second batch. My batch was Sophia Jane, Nasha Aziz,
Macam awal lah.
Yvonne Gable, the
Yeah.
first batch.
Wow, the pioneers.
The pioneers, yeah.
Jangan main-main.
Pioneers, and she still looks like
Yeah,
that. She still
Yeah,
looks
I
like
drink
that.
blood every night.
Oh,
When
no
my
wonder.
dad-
Serius stop tu je doktor.
Secret.
Allah.
Okay, but
Doctor Secret.
After the show,
Across the sea.
after the
kan?
show,
Across
let
the
us know who's the doctor.
Yes.
You need the same potion.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I really ask this. Ini semua orang selalu wonder daripada dulu lagi. They even ask me ketika that we work together kan. You being Sarawakian, non-Malay, jauh daripada sana, tapi boleh jadi hero Malaya. Was it difficult? Was it not? Okay, tak okay? Macam mana?
Yes, it was a challenge.
Yeah?
Especially masa saya baru datang KL tu main bahasa Melayu, I memang rabak.
Oh, ya ke?
Yeah.
Ya
Oh,
ke? So, English saja?
Well, English is actually my second language. My first language is Melayu.
Right.
Melayu kan.
Yeah.
But bahasa Melayu yang kita orang cakap dekat Sarawak ni, bahasa Melayu baku.
Okay.
So bila datang sini kita kena jatuh blend lah.
Yeah, belajar cakap Semenanjung all over again.
So
Yeah.
and then especially kalau you nak berlakon, kena lah berlakon watak-watak Melayu Semenanjung.
Yes.
So I think one of my bakat semua jadi saya cepat tangkap bahasa.
Right. You're bilingual
okay,
or
okay.
linguist.
Yeah.
You're a linguist.
Saya cepat tangkap logat.
Okay.
You boleh letak saya dekat Kedah selama you bagi I sebulan, I boleh bahasa cakap.
You sama macam I.
Yes.
Di mana saja kita
I
dicampak,
noticed that about you. First time I jogging.
we could
Yeah.
get dialects,
Maybe
kan?
it's a Scottish blood, you know.
Maybe. Love itu belagak pula.
Tu ada ke?
Ada.
You ada ke?
My father is Scottish.
Right. We didn't know.
Yes.
So dia full ke half?
Dia full. My mother is full Bidayuh. So Bidayuh Scottish lah.
Serius bapa you Mak Saleh lah?
Yeah.
Memang.
I tak tahu. This is news to me.
Dulu masa I berlakon dengan Tony Yusof, I don't remember what year that was, tapi I was not married yet. I was single.
I just started that time. Masa tu
Yeah.
baru setahun.
Yeah, so I was seronok lah bekerja dengan Tony Yusof ni.
tengok.
And then I remember my first question was, so Tony, what are you? Macam tu I tanya dia, macam, what are you? Because, you know, you look Mak Saleh,
Tapi
but
nama
you speak Malay so
Nama
well.
belakang dia? Okay, nama penuh you.
Yeah, nama
Anthony
penuh.
Joseph.
It's complicated.
Okay.
Saya, kalau saya nak buka cerita ni tak habis malam ni.
Oh, tak apa, bagus sebab banyak masa kita kena
Tak
buat.
habis sebab dia okay, saya tak nak panjangkan cerita.
Okay, just
Cerita
something
pendek,
easier.
dia versi pendek dia tak boleh berkahwin dengan my mom. Ada kekangan di situ. Tapi they're still in love. And bila I keluar, sebab dia dah bunting dengan my mom. And then I keluar dan but he was always there as father juga.
Right,
He never
right.
left me until he passed away 18 years ago.
Okay,
So I grew
okay.
up with my mother and my father together with us until I was
Right.
Okay.
Oh,
Hence the
Ya,
name.
tapi nama belakang dia nama...
So tak boleh letak nama dia.
Yeah.
Right.
Atas kekangan yang saya cakap tadi.
Betul.
Okay.
Betul. Right. Okay.
Right.
This is the
Tapi tak
first
apa lah,
time.
baru ada.
Lain sikit.
Yeah.
Faham. Tapi I pun boleh bercerai.
I
Tapi sebab you Muslim. Bila
begitu.
bangsa lain yang
Non-Muslim.
bukan Malay, bukan Muslim,
Yeah,
kahwin dengan lain. Sebab my mum yang memputra.
Ya, okay,
Kalau
faham.
yang bukan Melayu, kahwin dengan Mak Saleh, dia ikut.
Nasib, ha.
Yeah. So rezeki you
Nasib.
juga.
Rezeki
Yes.
juga, yes.
Rezeki
Yes,
you juga,
yes,
Jadi
yes.
yeah.
mak I masa tu dia pandai.
Yeah.
Dia jangan tak nak bapak kau nanti kau tak akan jadi putra. Kau tak ada macam putra.
Ja.
So itulah cerita dia bagi dekat I. So kita macam terus plan kat situ.
Yeah.
We're all half.
We're all
Yeah,
half.
all the
And
halves.
kakak
Yeah.
kita
And all
pun.
are the fathers.
Yes.
Yeah.
And kakak kita pun
I just
ada.
realised. I just
Yeah.
realised.
Kakak
Yes.
kita ada an interesting surname as well. Atienza.
Atienza.
Kita semua rosak rupanya.
Ya. Rojak lah kau rosak lah rojak.
Itulah.
Rosak punya juga.
Ya, rosak punya juga ada macam.
Konten rosak you itu. Ya, rosak
Jangan
juga.
cakap
Kenal ni
rosak.
kan. You memang tahu rosak
Macam
ni.
ni tak kenal I tu ni. Kakak kita is half Filipina.
My
kalau tak
father
silap.
is pure Filipino.
Okay.
My mom dari Penang. So they say I'm Filipinang.
Oh, how interesting.
Right.
Penang dengan Filipina. Do you speak Tagalog at all?
Actually, kan, my Tagalog is better than my BM.
Yeah, serious?
Oh,
Oh my
wow.
God. Let me start because I know a phrase.
Okay.
Anong pangalan mo?
Pangalan ko ay Maria Farida.
Nampak.
Ikaw,
Nampak.
Ano pangalan mo, Mare?
Mak jawab tau. I know pangalan sayo aja lah.
Excusez-moi.
I know pangalan sayo. That's it.
Don't you realise Tagalog dia macam baby talk sikit?
Dimanja.
Dimanja.
Dimanja. Yes.
Main belalang kupu-kupu ni.
Junjung ini Mak Ipung Raja Wali. Gitu. Apalah Tony. Okay, so kita nak tanya dia. How did you know, when was the first time yang you start into this entertainment industry? Macam mana? Adakah daripada Kit Kat Club?
No. Sebenarnya, I started modeling dulu. Because when I was very young, I was a tomboy. So my mom...
percaya.
You
Sama.
I suka panjat pokok, main dekat longkang, I naughty sangat when I was more serious now. So my mom dah pening. My mom dah pening. She was like, tak boleh. Kena hantar pergi modelling class
Dengan
untuk
short hair semua dulu?
jadikan perempuan.
With short hair and everything.
Yes.
Menjadi kelas tu.
So she sent me at the age of 16 for modelling classes. I ingat lagi dengan Orson dengan Kat, semua, Selena, all the seniors.
Yeah.
So, I was only 16. So, from there, diorang nampak I terus hantar untuk catwalk dah terus. At the age of 16. So, kena belajar dengan high heels, terpaksa jadi perempuan. So,
Right.
that's how it
Macam
started.
susah nak digest. Like from a
Yeah.
tomboy.
With my roller skates, rollerboard, golek sini, tergolek sana.
Saya tak boleh nak bring.
Ya, tak boleh nak beri
You when I was
Thank you for making
13, 14, macam tu lah. I was
Tapi rambut
very,
pendek ke rambut panjang?
medium, half-half. Tapi macam gila rambut ikat lah macam ni.
Okay,
macam
messy-messy lah.
Messy.
Dia like confident. Dia walaupun dia tomboy semua
Tapi
masih lawas.
cantik. Oh, lagi
Betul
bergetar
lah.
masa
You
tu.
so sweet lah tu. Ni, I remember the first day he walked into set dekat Astana Idaman.
Okay.
Ingat tak?
Okay.
Masa
Okay.
dia muda lagi, he was
Tapi I
so
tak ingat lah
new.
masa dia first time yang you nampak tu. I tak ingat lah. I tak tahulah.
You were there.
I was,
You watch out.
was I there when you, first time?
Tapi dia masa tu dia
Backstage.
tengah
Tengah make up. So he was so new when he came in Astana Idaman.
I was there.
Kan? And we were all
Dia
like
was there tapi kita
Cheryl sama.
Di sekolah di bawah
semua
lagi.
kan.
Yes.
Wow.
You like, siapa mak
That's
saya
right.
ni?
And then we did one of kan dia nak promote dia punya Idaman. So you went to your shows. Apa yang you
Wow, music diri ke?
Yang mana? Wacha tu.
Ya, music diri. Macam tu lah. Music diri. Yes, yes.
So I think you called Irene siapa masa tu? Then
Siapa tak masuk show aku ya dulu ya?
Kan.
semua.
Kau tak sempat lagi
tak
Kat.
kenal
Ya,
Wacha?
tak sempat tapi tak
Ya.
ya. Sekarang kita buat show
Oh my
together
God.
now.
Dia punya
Yeah.
Wacha
Ya,
tu
ya.
macam Matthew McConaughey punya alright.
Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Wow.
Push
That's
lebih
That's too high.
nampak. Push lebih
Ooh, that's
nampak.
too high though. Yeah, but thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So right, so modeling. Lepas tu, then after modeling was hosting, dancing,
Dancing.
and then hosting, and then acting.
Yes.
You macam mana you start?
I start daripada I was always a movie buff.
Right.
Bila kita I budak kampung.
Okay.
I lahir dan besar dan kau.
You lembut ke dulu? Dulu tak apa, you lembut ke dulu?
Tak. Saya sekarang masih lembut.
Ada ni kan banyak lagi gambar-gambar pelik nanti.
Kita perlu lelaki yang lembut, yang memahami perempuan.
Okay.
Jantan juga.
Gentle.
Saya ada balance.
Okay.
Ya. Mungkin sebabkan so saya masa
Masuk cerita lain nanti.
Gitu.
ya bahayanya. So jadi saya tak pernah terfikir berat kampung. Dan zaman kita dulu tak ada social media, tak terdedah pada apa yang possible kat luar. Jadi saya macam suruh mak saya untuk belajar rajin supaya boleh jadi engineer ke apa ke. So I masuk universiti, I have study, I belajar architecture.
Right.
So keluar kerja and then gaji architecture, assistant architecture was sangat-sangat very low. So I tukar bidang jadi cabin crew sekejap. So masa tu I buat
Cabin crew?
Ya, sekejap je.
Were you before? No.
So it was during that time yang I ada masa sikit. Somebody scouted me for TDC punya casting.
Okay.
So dia dalam di Moy punya ni famous artist.
Oh, famous artist. I know.
Famous artist,
Okay.
yeah.
Call me up.
Time kita lah ya.
And then yang apa ask me to audition for this one. I had lah. And then I think it's in a slump. Dia tu dapat. So start dari school. Macam best pula ni. As a movie buff. And suddenly you find yourself in the middle of a movie set.
Wow.
Masuk kamera lagi. Film kamera lagi tau.
Yeah.
Itu memang zaman dia.
Hot was so light.
Yeah. And then so macam, wow, I like this. So after about 1 year, masih lagi kerja biasa. Dapat tapi macam buat TVC ni selalu.
Ya, betul.
Bulan datang kali.
Casting je selalu.
Casting banyak.
Jenuh.
So after 1 year, mungkin ada satu iklan I, dia ada, dan dia punya story sangat-sangat romantic. I punya mak untuk I punya wife. Dan ada satu close up ke I. And then this production, masa tu tak ada social media. So kita mana boleh jual diri masa tu.
Betul.
So it was up to, kalau number kita circulate dekat ni. So I think production KB Batia yang notice me.
Okay.
So KB punya orang call me up, Tony, we want producing this new Astana Idaman season 2. So we're looking for a new lineup. So boleh tak you datang untuk casting? Okay, I try pergi. 1 week later they call me up. Okay, you're part of the new lineup.
Nice.
Also I was very cheap lah. Diorang cari pelakon-pelakon baru yang masih murah.
Tak apalah muda, tapi you try to melakar.
Yes,
Yeah.
that gave me the platform to move on from there. So that happened in 2004. So this year is my 20th anniversary.
Oh wow,
Congratulations. Happy anniversary.
Dia nampak je macam kerja 20 tahun, tapi sebenarnya kerja dia 5 tahun je. 15 tahun
Menunggu. Betul.
How did you get into singing, Tony? Sebab singing tu tiba-tiba made your name the highlight pula of each shows
Betul,
and
theatre pun
weddings. I
banyak.
went to a wedding. You were singing there. And sedapnya lah Tony menyanyi. I don't know if korang pernah dengar, but it was such a
He
lullaby.
used to sing on
Yeah,
set. He
yeah.
always has his guitar on set.
Right.
Music is part of my life. So same thing with movies. I'm a movie buff, and then suddenly I find myself as an actor. So singing tu sama juga. I tak pernah nyanyi masa sekolah ke apa, tak pernah. But I will sing to myself lah. Kita memang minat lagu, minat music. So bila ada satu production ni yang dapat tahu yang I boleh nyanyi sikit, okay, I masuk teater.
Teater. Banyak
Teater.
teater, I tahu.
So,
Dalam
daripada
drama
situ-
tak banyak nyanyi kan?
Yeah, so dalam teater, they said, you boleh try nyanyi. Boleh lah. So, nyanyi untuk teater ni.
Chok,
Yeah.
what was your first musical?
Kami tadi
Was it
sorry.
TJ?
No, TJ isn't. So what?
Jacqueline?
Oh, no, that wasn't my first. My first was actually a children's musical. Masa tu. Then I keluar sekejap je. Tak banyak. Tapi I keluar sekejap tu pun I ada nyanyi a few lines. So daripada situ, then Tiara Jacquelina.
Guess
Right.
who gave your name?
You!
Oh, wow.
Really?
Because she
Now you
called
know.
me. She called me and she was like, babe, I need somebody for this part. And I was like, at that time we were very close. I was like, have you heard of Tony Yusuf? And she was like, huh? Tony Yusuf? Which one? I said, go Google him.
Oh.
And she did. And the next thing I knew, he was there. I was like,
So because of that, mula-mula dia ajak kan tu jadi buat showcase local show dia orang saja.
Okay.
And then after that, they cast me as the third staging of Kirami the Musical. As
Alright,
Mm.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I remember.
yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
wow.
So, kita nak nyanyi sikit. Kita tak nak lagu lama.
Yeah.
The L is... Tak mau. Kita nak yang
Tapi kita nak
something new.
nyanyi.
saya tak tahu lagu baru.
Tolong
Okay, the newest.
Tak, sebab you tahu tak? Sebab I tak ada anak. I belum kahwin lagi.
Okay.
Kawan-kawan I yang ada anak ni, diorang tahu lagu baru daripada anak-anak diorang.
Kita bukan suruh lagu nyanyi
Bukan
Baby
lagu
Shark.
budak-budak. Bukan lagu Baby Shark. Bukan.
Tak,
Maksud I macam ni.
Apa tu?
No. Kita nak you nyanyi something yang probably current. That's what she was current.
I know, I don't know any
Okay,
current
fine.
song. I don't know any current
Whatever.
Okay,
The
then
oldest
something.
song that
Then
you have.
something.
Alamak.
Then something.
Okay.
Sebab korang, kalau korang tak tahu, he sings, it's a lullaby.
Michael
Okay, one to go, Tony. One to go.
Allah.
Cepat minum. Okay.
Minum dulu, maybe.
Minum dulu.
Ambil
Suruh dia nyanyi, jangan suruh I joget, Okay.
Are you sure?
You know.
Because
Nyanyi.
normally it's
Nyanyi
okay.
je, I datang first.
Ataupun macam ni kakak, dia nyanyi, you joget sikit for us. For us, on Main and Cat. It's going to be exclusive. Jom.
Alamak.
Okay, Tony minum dulu. Dah minum dah?
Dah.
Okay. 1 and a 2 and a 3. Go.
Dengar, oh jeritan batinku, memekik, memanggil namamu selalu, sehari rasa sebulan, hatiku tiada tertahan, ku pandang kiri, pandang kanan, engkau tiada.
Oh my God, seriously, you guys.
Dia nyanyi macam dekat teater juga feel dia kan.
So dengan nyanyian Tony tadi ends our first segment. We will see each other in our next segment. What's it called? What's it called? It's called Kita Kita Jam. Okay, kita jumpa lagi dalam Kita Kita Jer. So what is Kita Kita Jer about? Kita Kita Jer ni is where we ask questions yang orang lain maybe tak mau tanya, but we're gonna ask. And hopefully kita dapat jawapan daripada mereka.
Sure, betul.
What
So
is your
now,
first question?
now that you have been in the industry for 20 years? You said 20
Yeah.
years and dah 10
plus.
30 plus.
1990.
Then they start muka.
Yeah,
I start lambat tau. I start, my age was 27 bro, I start. Jadi dia satu tekanan.
Ni lah you arkitek lah sekejap lah. Lepas tu sekali
So,
baru
dia
lah
satu
picture.
tekanan sebab my first day on set dekat Astana Iraman, all my peers tu semua yang Asad Sulaiman,
Muda.
Yeah.
Muda lagi.
Diorang dah berapa tahun? Diorang dah 10
Yeah.
tahun dah buat ni. Macam mana nak berganding dengan diorang? Tapi
faham.
they were very, I was surrounded by such good people. Diorang bagi dia ajar.
But
Right.
you fit in so well.
Yeah.
You
No,
know,
because
like
diorang bagi they give me a lot of
Sebab
love.
dia rosak. Tu pasal
dia
kita senang
tak
masuk.
kekok, dia tak awkward.
Yeah.
It was so
Kak Tony,
natural.
itu rezeki you because you said you masak when you were 27,
Yes.
but you blended in so
Yeah.
well. And then you macam orang Melayu kata you berdiri sama tinggi dengan diorang. You did not
But-
look awkward.
No.
A lot of
Right.
help. I got a lot of help.
Yeah.
Arwah Hani Muhsin.
Yes. My neighbor before.
Sama.
Jalal, Syarif Samad.
Yeah.
So they really helped me cakap, oh, you kena macam ni. It's not because I think it's not just about hafal script.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hafal script tu maybe 5% of the work. Right?
Mm-mm.
Orang kena tahu mana nak your mark,
Yes.
mana nak cari
Facing
bakat,
which
lampu,
camera,
apa,
lampu.
jangan bagi shadow kat orang kat
And masa tu kita three cameras kan?
Yes.
So,
Abang Lan ni masa tu.
Yeah.
Abang Nasir.
Wow. Okay. So is there anything that people still don't know about you guys after being so long in the industry? Dah lama sangat kan? Ada tak lagi yang orang macam, semua tak tahu. Macam, okay. Contoh, macam sampai sekarang ni, orang, ramai je yang dah tahu, I boleh cakap Cina, you tahu.
Yes.
Tapi ada ramai lagi yang tak tahu.
Yeah. So something about you guys.
You know?
Sama
So,
juga macam
sama
ramai yang
macam
tak
korang.
tahu,
Apa?
I bermuslim. Sampai sekarang ramai gila orang tak tahu. Sampai
right.
sampai sekarang ada orang I datang tu pergi apa
Kenduri apa?
Sharing.
Talil apa?
Event apa talil.
Okay.
I had like awkward lah.
Yeah.
Macam bang macam ni.
Kena explain.
Sorry. Ramai lagi yang tak tahu.
Dia nak includekan you tapi you.
Yes. Ada yang siap ajak boleh tak abang buat doa selamat?
Okay, just curious. You tahu tak apa baca surah macam Al-Fatihah apa yang sebab you dah maybe dah selalu dengar lepak dengan Melayu ramai. Ataupun apa surah yang
I pernah
ada tak yang you
dia
tahu?
bagi skrip yang kena ucap.
Yeah.
Itu je lah.
Ada, okay, I pernah buat satu cerita yang it takes place during bulan puasa. And then kita paksa puasa dalam kereta.
Yeah.
And then I kena hafal yang doa buka puasa.
Doa buka puasa tu.
I kena hafal.
okay.
So they gave me the line a few weeks before the shoot.
Yeah.
So every day I hafal.
And you did it?
I did it.
Oh.
Tak patut kita suka buat benda macam ni.
Betul,
Asalkan
yeah.
kita diberi cukup persiapan.
Yes, cukup masa untuk bersiapkan.
Yes, we like to do that
Yeah,
sebenarnya. Ini dah kerja kita. Ini yang buat I suka buat kerja ni.
Right.
Tapi
Okay.
I don't
So
blame
orang
them.
tak tahu dia.
Yeah, I don't blame
bukan
them.
Muslim.
Sebab kadang-kadang dengan nama Tony Yusof tu, diorang anggap macam, okay, dia anak kasukan, Melayu, Mak Saleh lah. Tony Yusof macam
But
tu kan.
to me it's a compliment. Because orang ingat kita, maknanya kita berjaya
Maknanya
bawa
blend.
watak Melayu.
blend
Yes,
well.
yes. You
Sampai orang
blend
percaya
very
kita
well.
Melayu.
Ya.
you know.
Datin pula macam mana? Apa yang lagi orang tak tahu pasal you?
Something.
Sebab you are quite mysterious. You macam very sophisticated. Dia tak banyak cakap.
wanna keep it
Tak bising macam
mysterious.
kita orang, you know.
tak, ni semua is a show sebenarnya. Outside of shooting and all, I'm actually very, very simple.
Okay.
I ni jenis yang keluar, pergi groceries, no makeup at all, jeans, t-shirt, sunglasses.
Right.
I'm only like this for the media.
For TV.
Because this is what they want, this is what I give them.
Give them what they
Yeah.
want kan.
This is actually not me. I'm actually very, very simple.
So your favorite outfit is apa? Jeans, t-shirt, topi?
Topi,
Sunglasses. Yeah.
So even when I go to groceries, they still recognize me. Cashier, semua nak
Right.
selfie.
Hidung you tu.
You trademark.
And
Yeah.
I'm like, ya Allah, ini dah cover up pun still
You
lagi.
kena mask sekali.
Tak, you pakai
Mask
cover up.
pun.
Lagi lah orang tahu.
Mask pun. Kan COVID, we all had to go
Yeah,
with mask.
yeah.
But your
Still.
But it's your eyes, you
Because
know.
your
It's your
mask orang lain
eyes.
macam mask you macam ni.
yeah.
Okay? Orang dah tak. Farida.
but that's why people like you guys are on TV. Because your face is recognizable.
Yeah,
and-
faham.
Yeah. I mean, and it's
Even
very
driving
distinctive.
at night with my topi and everything, the car next door is like,
Dah nampak dah tahu dah.
Change dia
Your
daripada
nose
jauh.
and your eyes is very significant that they could recognize from outside the car.
Yes.
You know, it's very significant.
Yeah. Okay, another one. What advice would you tell your younger self? Start with kakak. Datinkan dia, I kakak kan dia. But it's
Betul,
okay.
it's okay.
It's okay.
Only
Kita
kita
pula
pula
tahu.
adik-adik I daripada dulu kan.
Yeah.
So
So
what
advise
would I
your younger
tell
self,
my
yeah.
younger self? Because when I was younger, I didn't have any confidence, very shy, very pemalu. That's why I was pushed into modelling. Sebab I ni jenis yang tak berani cakap. Duduk diam, be seen, not heard. Macam tu.
Okay.
So I was always insecure.
Right.
I look at all the perempuan cantik semua and I'm like,
Tapi you tak tahu rupa-rupa cantik di luar sana memandang you and
Kayak
rasa
macam,
macam you are the
yes.
queen.
Because through the years, I learned grooming
yeah.
So
and
after you
all
become an
that.
actress, just actresses are orang paling insecure.
Kan, sebenarnya.
I was shy. I was
Yeah.
hiding behind my dad
Me
and
too,
all
me
that.
too. I was
But
very
when I'm
shy.
playing, that's my diva
Tapi
come out.
betul lah. Orang kata macam tu kan, people who act are people who maybe ada low self-esteem or are shy. Alhamdulillah, I don't think I ada low self-esteem, but I was a bit shy. I macam, kalau ramai-ramai kan macam, kawan
Faham.
There's truth in that. Like for me, I pun macam tu.
Yeah.
So acting gives me a chance to, because I'm not good in real life.
To be someone that you're not, kan?
So yes, and then that gives me lesson untuk macam buat suka hati aku mengikut karakter tu.
Because our real selves are very boring.
Yeah, I think
Kan,
so.
very like normal, very plain. So bila kita bawa, especially ni, bawa watak jahat. Best.
Best.
I
Yes.
suka.
Yes. Because I could never be like that in real life.
Yes.
So
Yes.
bila I
Yes.
watak
Experience.
jahat, I'm like,
Bila lagi,
I can
Yeah.
just be whatever, how jahat I want to be.
Yeah, evil.
Sebenarnya kat luar, kalau cashier ke pemarah, I pun tak, okay.
Padahal. Okay, so is that your favorite character now? Untuk menjadi orang jahat?
Yes.
I paling
Yeah.
suka sekali. Okay, watak yang you tak pernah dapat pula.
Watak gila dah. Watak kampung dah. Dulu komplain tak dapat watak kampung dah.
Dah.
nenek,
Dah.
oh dah.
Nenek
Nenek
je nak
tu.
benda-benda random cantik macam ni kan.
Nenek yang modern lah.
Menyusahkan mereka.
Ya, dia orang selalu pakai spek besar buat fun pun tetap macam tu. So they're like, give up lah, whatever lah.
Putih semua. Okay, so
Tak
you?
lah putih.
How about you?
What about me?
Ya, watak
Tadi
yang you tak
watak
pernah
yang you
dapat.
tak pernah dapat.
Oh, serius
And
guys.
favorite?
Daripada dalam 2 tahun ni, saya nak sangat bawa watak kampung.
Tak pernah tu ni.
Nak, ada pernah sekali, tapi cerita tu orang tak tengok. Dia orang tak
Tak
dapat
puas.
sisi tu.
Oh, faham.
Tapi setiap kali kalau saya apa-apa, saya bagi tahu producer atau horror station tu, saya nak you asal ingin orang kayu. Guys, tapi dah sebenarnya orang kampung.
Iban kan?
Hidayut.
Bidayut.
Ya. So, watak kampung tu sebenarnya sangat-sangat boleh relate. Cuma sebabkan muka dia pun kemahal apa. Sebenarnya ada je cara. Kalau you bagi I cukup 2-3 bulan, I boleh tan myself. Sebenarnya boleh dibuat. Macam
Betul,
tengok cerita
betul.
filem Abang Adik tu.
Yes.
Yang jadi abang tu. Cuba you tengok dia sebelum ni buat abang. Muka dia jambu kot. Tapi he came and actually tan
you just need
himself.
a lot of orang kata makeup.
Sama lah when I had to do watak
Prepare yourself,
kampung.
kan?
They had to put brown foundation on me.
Yeah,
Lepas
nak
tu
gelapkan
rambut
sikit.
kena dye hitam. No makeup, just brown foundation.
And then the thing that makes it believable is actually the acting.
Yeah.
I agree.
Ah,
It's the acting. You dah pakai you punya costume semua,
Yes.
dah masuk.
Yeah.
Orang kata masuk
And then the rest is your acting.
Yeah.
But before
Producer
that, I
kita-
think it's makeup.
Producer kita, I belum jumpa producer yang berani mengambil risiko.
Tapi I don't blame you Tony, because I had that juga in my younger days. Macam, asyik cakap macam, you tak boleh cerita kampung, you muka orang kaya.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I'm half Cantonese. I dah half kampung kat dalam tu dah aja.
Yeah.
Cuma bagi I pakai kain batik.
Kecek latte, berbandai.
Kecek latte. Pasir.
Ah.
Tak tahulah demo ni.
Kan?
Hmm.
Kita kena
No, but
fight
it's
for
just
the
that
right
our producers
Yeah.
tak berani
Yeah.
ambil risiko. And then they don't have t-shirt. I'm sorry lah.
They stereotype.
They stereotype you.
Betul, yeah.
Yes,
Stereotype, yeah.
This is
We get that, right?
I get that, but
I
again,
get that all the time.
I don't
Yeah.
understand why they don't see a chance, like an opportunity to ambil contoh yang macam Terrenos pula, watak kampung ni.
Yeah.
So supaya orang tertarik tengok sisi you yang lain.
Betul.
Tapi I macam tu juga. Tapi I cabar dia. Macam dulu, macam filem Duyung, Wan, Aspalela. So I cabar lah. You should cakap, kenapa macam, siapa ni? Yang cerita monster tu. Allahu Akbar.
Charlize Theron.
Charlize Theron.
Okay.
My favorite actress apa. Okay, macam mana muka dia boleh jadi bu?
Kan? Boleh juga.
Ya, macam
boleh
mana dia boleh
ada.
jadi Islam.
Buatnya dia buat.
Ya.
Ya Rabbi.
Where there is a will, there is a way.
Yeah, so that's how I took some time to tan. Okay, tak cukup tan lagi sebab tak cukup time.
Yes.
And they darken me lah. And then gelapkan semua.
Boleh.
Adalah nampak ada islandish, you know.
It's not rocket science gold.
Yes, memang boleh.
Dia orang tak berani. Dia orang tak berani.
So itu
Yeah.
yang you belum dapat.
Belum
Watak
dapat.
kampung.
Okay, ada beberapa sebab kan. Saya selalu di watak holding back up.
Ya.
And then kita shoot kat Malaysia ni, kalau shoot, walaupun shoot dalam keadaan ada ikut, bila nak roll tu boleh off tak? Sebab orang sound kata selalu ni.
Ya.
So alamak, aku tak pakai shoot.
Faham sangat.
I adalah jabatan air.
Faham.
Siapa yang pernah handle air dari segi wardrobe dan make up, I am their nightmare lah.
Ya, atau ni alamak, syuting kalau kat kampung. Aduh.
Masak lencun lah kita punya
So
baju.
kalau watak kampung, at least nampak airport kecil kampung, I boleh campur-campur apa semua.
Biarlah
Kalau perlu,
perlu.
jadi kena lah.
Real.
Baru semua, baru best.
Ya. Tak dapat.
Please guys, please.
Tapi tak boleh muka
Ya.
yang terlalu expensive. Muka
Tak.
mewah.
Dia boleh dijadikan.
Dia boleh
Kita
dimurahkan.
kena
Sebab ini asalnya memang murah. Tak masalahnya. Contohnya masa kan, I duduk dekat area Kepong. So kalau pergi makan dekat kedai-kedai berdekatan my neighborhood, I selalu pakai short,
pendek.
slipper Jepun, t-shirt ada berlubang tau. Tapi ada je mamak dia cakap, abang ni, Datuk. Dia panggil Datuk.
Wow.
Abang, Datuk dah, humble sangat dah Datuk ni. Oh, anyway, tak apalah. Saya tahu Datuk ni pakai macam ni. Orang kaya je pakai macam ni. Tak,
Kau stylo
Aku
lah.
miskin, dek. Tapi itulah orang tak percaya.
Sebagai stylo. I think.
Saya pernah kena salah orang pun pernah juga. Dia Datuk apa khabar Datuk? Abang Datuk.
Datuk apa?
Alah, dia panggil Datuk apa khabar Datuk?
salah orang.
Abang Datuk. Dia kata, alah, humble sangat lah Datuk Islam ni.
Salah Islam.
Salah.
Abang Islam. Apa yang buat Islam? Okay,
Ni Yusof ini bukan Islam
this
Yusof.
is something yang orang lain maybe tak mau tanya, tak berani tanya, or they think it's not appropriate. But because kita adik-adik you, so maybe you want to share with us, what is it that's making you single, continue to be single? Why are you not married? Macam tu kalau I can be, I can be.
Tadi kat belakang.
Different.
Oh, kakak dah tahu. Kakak dah cerita itu.
Ni pun nak tahu.
Dalam, saya nak simpulkan dalam sependek mungkin.
Ya, sependek mungkin je.
Saya kalau boleh memang kebanyakan manusia ni siapa tak nak keluarga di sini. Jadi kalau saya tak ada tu bukan sebab saya tak nak, tapi sebab keadaan kita. Jadi macam orang lain kena faham. Janganlah nak lebih sebab kadang-kadang banyak benda yang
Pressure,
punya reason. Yang reason yang kita nak bagi tahu orang. Kadang-kadang kita cakap, saya rasa saya tak cukup duit untuk nak bagi anak saya life yang saya nak bagi ke dia. Jadi itu contohnya lah. So, the situation for me to have a family of my own is not ideal.
Okay.
Tapi never say never.
I
masih muda lagi.
Next year, kahwin, tiba-tiba.
You never know.
Yes.
Kan? Tapi sebenarnya I nak ungkapkan satu secret.
Rahsia. Wow. Okay. Untuk kita je.
I dah banyak.
Itulah.
Cuma dia je belum tahu.
Kidding. Punya the
Anticipation
anticipation oh my god, hanya di main and character ni suka bagi tahu dia nak sama. Ada dengan Maria Farida. Si drama dek.
Cannot.
Kita
Impossible.
orang ni twin flame sebenarnya, tapi
Dalam
we cannot
drama
be
je lah.
together.
Always in the drama.
Okay, tak apa. Kejap lagi kita ada
She's
banyak.
one of my favorite co-stars lah.
Right.
So easy to work with. She's so fun. You're a trooper.
Itulah, kita tak ada sekali kerjasama, but I bumped into her many times. I thought she was fun. I thought she was laid back, so best sangat.
And then she's very clean. She likes to clean places up. Nothing from your Filipino side.
I suka. OCD sikit. Kejap lagi korang tunggu, kita ada banyak soalan sebenarnya daripada netizen dekat luar sana. Tapi kita kembali selepas ini dalam Main and Cat. Yes, we're back. Okay, so kita berada di segmen yang ketiga. Tap tu kita dah halfway through. Kita berada di dalam segmen TikTok Live. Soalan-soalan ini yang bakal datang ni sebenarnya kita dapat daripada TikTok ataupun Instagram Live kita. Okay?
Jadi kalau dia berbunyi kurang sedap, it's not us. It's the people that want
Yes.
to know.
Apa faham?
Netizens.
Korang kena follow dulu kita orang punya Instagram ataupun TikTok kita dekat _min MYN and cat _ okay? Nanti pergi cari. Dekat IG kita orang pun ada juga. By the way, so dia ada tanya, ini soalan yang macam rengan-rengan, manja-manja je bagi dekat you. Macam mana you maintainkan you punya kedrakulaan you tu?
Ya.
Penat dan mesti menyampah I tahu. Tapi sebab orang tak pasti you tak pernah keluar
Sebab you
kat
need
ramai
help.
else.
So they
You
need
tak
to
pernah bagi tahu.
know.
I dah bagi tahu banyak kali.
Which is
Tapi orang tak percaya.
Itulah natural because I don't do all this cocok. I don't do operation. I don't even do healthy living.
Oh, faham.
I ni jenis
Kenapa
I
ya, Ro?
eat, I suka makan. I foodie. Okay? Tidur pun, of course.
I've seen her eat.
Okay.
Dia makan macam, she eats like this going out of fashion.
Wow.
Where did all the food go to?
Bird. Dia pun
So you work out? You work out?
No, I don't.
See?
I paling tak suka lah pergi
Nin,
gym.
in the genes korang.
ni?
Dia cantik sebab genes dia, DNA dia.
Ni mesti ramai yang benci.
Okay, so do you go to aesthetic clinics?
I do.
Okay. You
Because
facial.
I'm sponsored.
Okay.
So, I pergi untuk buat facial. Tapi facial yang jenis
Superficial lah, yang kat atas je.
Silkpin,
Superficial punya lah.
benda-benda yang tak ada yang sakit atau
Non-invasive.
Yes, I tak boleh. Sebab kalau dia sakit sikit, I'm like, oops, no, stop. I tak
How
boleh.
lucky.
I jenis yang, I cannot.
So low maintenance
I
gitu.
paling low maintenance people. And the messages I get on TikTok dengan Instagram, kena kaya baru boleh cantik. Excuse me, I skincare pun tak boleh pakai sebab I allergic.
Right.
I've got very hypersensitive skin, so I tak boleh pakai produk-produk anti-aging ke toner, serum semua tak boleh.
Oh,
You pakai
wow.
apa? Wet tissue.
Ni first time I dengar.
Wet tissue?
What is this?
Yeah.
I tak boleh because I will break out. If I use all the serum,
Yeah.
you tengok muka I besok jadi merah, jadi gatal.
Right.
This
So
does not make
basically-
sense to me. Sebab
So
I
basically, dia dapat semua beauty ni, I got it from my mama.
Yeah.
I got it from my papa.
Yeah.
That's,
you
must
are the
be the-
definition of I woke up like this. Macam
Yeah.
tu.
Alhamdulillah,
Kan?
yes. I don't know, but that's how it is. Because I tak boleh. Even supplement pun, my friends, you kena ambil ni sebab bagus. You ambil
Yes.
supplement. I pun, okay, boleh. I jadi perhiasan.
perhiasan dekat situ
Sebab
collecting
you-
dust.
Pasal benci aku.
Sebab you malas nak bancuh your...
I akan ambil sekali.
Okay.
Atau besok,
Lupa, malas. Habit dia dah bukan itu.
Beruntungnya
Dah
menjadi
habit
seorang
dah
Maria
macam-
Farida. Oh my God. Dilahirkan cantik and she stays cantik forever and ever.
Aku nak jadi
Okay,
seorang
tetapi
Maria.
ada satu lagi soalan which, okay, I have to apologize. Diorang tanya, betul ke Maria Farida ni orang yang susah nak work with? Sebab kalau tengok sekali mas, muka dia nampak macam sombong. So, who is
I
she?
boleh tahu kau.
Oh,
Yes.
Ada kerja banyak kali.
Yeah.
Maria
Berpuluh-puluh kali dia.
Maria selalu jadi sama ada wife saya, girlfriend saya yang tak jadi, terlarang dan sebagainya. Dah banyak kali dah. Dan tak ada sekali pun dia menyusahkan.
Oh.
Atau heboh dekat set kan. I bukan
tak
jenis
ada.
yang mengamuk kat set. I
Ya,
don't know how to mengamuk kat set. Tapi the problem is, I ni ada muka RBF.
Yes.
resting bitch face.
Okay?
Oh, we can say bitch.
Yeah,
Boleh.
we
Oh,
boleh.
nice. Love it.
So,
Tadi
yeah.
I was like, macam control my words. Itu yang I sangkut.
It's okay.
RBT.
It's okay.
Oh,
I mean,
RBF,
you can be
yes.
open.
Right.
But no,
So that's
she's
why-
been great. You've been great. You're one of my favorite co-stars.
Wallah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Sweet lah korang ni.
Tarik,
Apa soalan untuk Tony? What
Okay,
did
so
they ask?
sekarang ni, kita nak tanya you guys,
Yeah.
especially both of you, because you guys have a lot of experience, right? So, apa perbezaan dalam dunia seni ni dulu bandingkan dengan sekarang? Dari segi adab, dari segi etika, dari segi chances atau opportunities, you know?
You want to go first?
Okay.
And fame.
Yeah.
Okay, a lot of changes are happening very fast and getting faster and faster because technology is getting faster.
Yeah.
Sebelum I started before social media.
Yeah.
Masa tu masih lebih simple lagi.
Yeah.
Kita orang terpaksa I akan dapat nombor phone PM so that I sendiri akan call. Hai Kak, hai Bang, tengah fikir dengan you know, like almost like a door-to-door salesman.
Yeah.
Masa
Right.
tu, yes.
You do that, huh?
I did that, yes.
Agak pandai buat
masa
tu.
tu I start I
Faham?
manager.
Yeah,
So I
faham,
kena buat
faham.
sendiri. Yeah.
Faham?
I mean, nak survive.
Yeah, betul?
So, game tu sebenarnya dah berubah.
Yes.
Sejak ada social media.
Sebab ada social media.
Sekarang ni, artis punya value dah tak macam dulu sebab sekarang ni influencer pula yang naik.
Betul.
Based on your followers. How
Based
many
on
followers?
Yes.
I cannot compete with the influencers out there sebab diorang dah and the thing is the younger ones know that game better than the older ones.
Betul.
Yeah.
But dunia digital ni adalah dunia diorang sekarang.
Okay, do you feel affected, both of you?
Yes.
Yeah, rasa terkesan tak?
Yeah, sangat.
You kakak?
Because like for me, zaman kita memanglah tak ada social media.
Betul, yeah.
Tapi on set, you know, our discipline pelakon dulu dengan sekarang
Beza.
sangat berbeza.
Yes.
Yeah.
Dulu kita kalau call time pukul 8, kena ada kat set pukul 8. And then kita semua takut bila kena marah dengan director and all. Tapi zaman sekarang, I'm sorry to say, some lah, bukan semua pelakon-pelakon yang baru, salam pun tak.
Ya.
Acknowledge pun tak.
Senyum pun tak ada. Tegur.
Followers diorang bermillion-million.
Yeah.
You know,
so pretend like they don't know you.
It's
tak payah
so
salam.
different now,
For me,
yes.
it's been quite different. Mungkin sebab I've been very lucky. All the young ones that I work with, semua terbaik.
Because you're Abang Tony Yusof.
No. I don't know.
You rosak. Daripada tadi lagi apa-apa sebab you rosak.
Pelakon baru, ramai lagi pelakon baru yang tak kenal. Saya cuma kenal mereka yang pernah bekerja dengan saya. So, I kenal macam Dayan Trisha, Han Hakim, Zul Aiman.
All these, they're all very good.
These are very good.
Yeah.
The famous ones yang nama-nama besar, lagi nama besar, lagi berhormat, lagi.
Tapi kan
they're
kakak,
so good.
macam the names that Tony mentioned tadi, I rasa diorang okay because they started as an
Macam
actor.
Dayan Trisha, macam Kak Fahana pun
betul.
sama.
Diorang masuk industri.
Yes.
The ones yang I
Yang
rasa
bersusah
ada
payah
attitude
nak.
kita are the ones yang memang dah influencers.
Influencer lepas tu nak masuk dalam
you know,
industri.
Ada followers yang million-million and then baru nak terjun masuk industri. So these are the ones yang I rasa
So, macam culture
I
shock
had some
sikit.
personal
Yang
issues with,
sebenarnya
you know.
diorang tak minat pun dalam bidang lakonan sebenarnya.
Betul. They come to the set and then they were like,
Diorang nak
macam
fame.
ni kot
They just
kerja.
want the
Macam
fame.
ni kot. Kita
Some of
memang
them
kena
diorang cakap,
tunggu kot.
bagi alasan diorang cakap apa? Diorang segan malu. I said you rather jadi segan malu and daripada beradab.
Tapi kita pernah je jumpa orang segan tapi bersungguh-sungguh.
Ya, betul.
Saya itu segan tu to me is just a lie lah.
Ya, betul.
Tapi lagi nama besar, lagi they're so respectful.
Yes.
True. Betul.
Okay, so the next one. Ada orang tanya, mesti ramai kejar you nak ajak dating, all the pucuk-pucuk muda, and how do you handle that? And you, I have another question about that. So nanti tunggu.
I rasa itu perkara normal kot. Bukan I saja. I think most of the pelakon perempuan mesti dapat the same thing.
Ya, tapi ini maybe pelakon perempuan tu dia dapat lelaki yang sebaya dengan dia, which is normal.
Yeah.
Dia dapat lelaki lagi tua daripada dia. Lagi normal.
But
Tapi
you are getting invitations from
you dapat
young
yang lagi
boys.
muda,
Tak
pucuk-pucuk
semua
muda.
age.
Malah you pun you get talk.
Yeah, but I'm asking her now. It's my show. It's my show. So I'm asking her, how do you tepis?
How do you tepis?
Are you gonna answer with a question?
I think it's normal. I grew up with this daripada
You get it a lot?
from my teens to my 20s, 30s, 40s. I get it a lot on DMs. Dulu.
Yeah, oh yes.
Pen pal. Orang hantar surat. Tak ada social media
Betul.
dulu kan. Dia orang akan hantar surat. Nak kahwin, nak ajak dating, nak beli pulau.
Macam-macam. Siapa itu?
Tapi sekarang ni, when you get it now, at this age now, you know, when you have your family, apa semua, how do you decline the invitation?
Oh, you just buat tak tahu je.
Buat tak tahu.
Buat tak tahu
Because
je.
terlalu banyak.
Dengan engage je.
Terlalu banyak. It's like,
Banyak.
it's no point. It's like macam, kan? So I get this in my DMs.
Yeah.
And, you know, so I macam like,
Yeah.
nonsense lah.
Dah lah
It's like-
korang tak payahlah dah. Dia elok berkahwin dah.
Tak
Anak
payahlah
semua
nak
tak payah
tanya
dah.
lagi dah.
Dia tak reply pun.
Dia elok kawan dengan I je.
Korang tak payah tanya
Sebab-
dah lepas ni kenapa bayar Farida
kawan
cantik. Dia
tengok-
memang dah lahirkan
Tengok
cantik.
orang yang I kenal saja. I ni
Yeah.
penakut. I'm scared to make new friends. So, I can stick to the people yang I dah kenal. Itulah I akan
I
berkepit
never
dengan
scare you,
orang.
right?
No. You dah macam my brother.
Oh.
Kan? Brotherly love.
Soalan Tony.
So, Tony, apakah selalunya yang you dapat kebanyakan dalam DM you sekarang? Apakah?
Okay.
The most famous one.
Sebabkan saya dah nak masuk umur 48 ni. Dan saya,
Iya?
ya.
Serious?
Saya belum kahwin lagi. Jadi, of course, ramai ingat saya suka same gender.
Same gender lah.
Of
Same
course lah.
sex.
Biasanya orang kan ingat macam tu. That's a lumrah lah. Okay. So, I selalu dapat, kebanyakan DM boleh dikatakan 99% daripada lelaki.
No.
Wow.
No.
Ladies, come on. Wait. Tak apa korang buat ni.
So,
Korang dah roasting
kena
tu,
lelaki
boys.
yang ayat-ayat kita. Ada yang muda-muda belasan tahun bagi kita pakcik, peanut you apa semua. Lepas tu video call kita punya acting fanpage tau.
Video call on the DM also.
Kita-
You know, it's like, apa ni?
So I tak tahu lah. I mean, so I tak layan. Yang tu I tak layan.
So yang lelaki-lelaki semua tu, okay, kakak-kakak, abang-abang, makcik-makcik, check anak you. Yang wife tu check suami you. Yang ada kakak, abang, adik, so semua pergi check adik-adik korang. Okay, yang mana DM dekat dia ni, dia tak kenal
ada
pun.
sekali ni kelakar sebab yang DM tu dia panggil dia cakap, "Hi papa." Follow back mama. Lepas tu saya tengok dia punya gambar profil dia, muka jantan yang 30 lebih, yang muka macam segak polis, macam polis lah. Ada misai. So, Mama. Tak, saya tak faham. Sebab ni bahasa dia orang kan. Saya, aku kenal ke mak dia? Ingat dia suruh aku follow mak dia kan. Kok aku kenal mak dia ke apa. Lepas tu masa tu kita tengah make up. So, saya tanya make up tu, apa maksud dia ni? I kenal mak dia ke apa? Tak, dia bahasakan diri dia mama.
Dia bahasakan diri dia mama.
You papa, dia mama. Tapi dia bermisai tak?
Dia nak jadi bottom.
Ayo.
I tak boleh brain.
Adik-adik, abang-abang kat luar sana. Let me just tell you one thing. Okay, Tony Yusof it does not belong in that category.
Tetapi baru-baru ni disebabkan ada salah satu interview saya, tak ingat melodi ke interview saya a few months ago. So orang tanya pasal kenapa Tony masih bujang. So saya cakap, bukannya I tak nak kahwin, I memang nak kahwin. Sebelumnya ada girlfriend tapi tak jadi apa semua. So sekarang ni pula I susah nak cari pasangan sebab sekarang ni I kena fokus kepada ibu saya. Dan itu saya, dia dah tua apa semua. Lepas tu mungkin satu cerita tu buat orang macam, dia ni straight. So ada satu ketika saya dapat mesej daripada perempuan pula.
Okay.
Tapi mesej dia macam seorang wanita muda cakap, "Hi uncle, kalau tu masih single, masih cari perempuan, masih cari bini, boleh tak I recommend my mum for you?"
Anak instant
So
lah pula
dia lamakan macam tu lah pula. Okay lah, I appreciate lah you punya komitmen itu.
Faham dia pilih untuk mak dia, reaching out to you and all that. Faham. Okay, so next one. Ada juga yang orang tanya, dah lama tak nampak you guys on TV. Ada yang maybe, I get that question as well. Sometimes they don't watch TV and they say that.
They watch the wrong channel.
They watch different channel.
Ataupun dia orang sebenarnya, korang busy kat tempat lain or whatever. So, what is your latest updates now? Apa korang working on now?
Okay, start to Maria.
Okay, I just finished a few dramas. Some episode drama untuk TV3. One is starting this month.
Okay.
And the other one is starting next year.
Okay.
And also cerita hantu pun ada.
You jadi hantu ke?
I kena rasuk.
Wow.
That would be interesting.
Kena rasuk. Itu dengan Asal Sulaiman tu.
Right, okay.
Okay.
And a few other telemovies. Actually quite a bit. Tapi itulah bila keluar je orang akan tanya, lama tak nampak.
Orang yang cakap macam tu sana ni, diorang tak tengok, they're not watching TV.
They're watching the wrong belt.
No, dia orang tengok phone. Dia orang tengok YouTube, TikTok, Instagram.
So, I akan tanya balik, akak ni ada TV ke kat rumah? Ada tapi tak tengok.
And they're watching paid TV.
Yes.
Netflix and whatever. And then they're like, lama tak nampak you kat TV.
Kan?
Ada bahang.
Sebenarnya
Tak tahu macam mana nak jawab.
Okay.
How about you,
Tony,
Tony?
what are you doing right now?
Okay, this year has been a bit slow for me, to be honest. So last year was good, the year before that was great. So mungkin disebabkan dah explore sangat, sebabkan kita setiap film. So tahun ni langsung tak ada film. Tapi ada satu series, baru saja habis buat satu series yang direct oleh Apichalki. Din Tiger.
Kelakar ni. Kelakar lah ni.
Kelakar dia about police force yang nak cari orang yang scam.
Okay.
Internet scam. So saya watak seorang police officer detective. And Dato' Aaron Aziz sendiri dia punya the hero tu. Dia lah nama dia Din Tiger.
Right. Okay. A quick yes or no?
Yeah.
Before we end the segment, would you do TikTok drama? Are you guys aware of TikTok drama?
Yeah.
Baru hari
ni tadi ada orang offer.
It's every episode is only 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Serious?
Yes, the views is like
That's
100
the trend
million.
now lah.
Yes, would you do it?
If the price is right.
Because it's not nice.
You dah
pernah buat?
I've heard yang offers and...
baru pertama dia orang offer. And then, they offered me cameo lah for this role.
Right.
Cameo lepas tu dia offer price yang macam sendunya. It's okay.
Faham?
So,
Okay,
but
so
everything
now you
has
know.
price. I would do it for a good, but
Yeah,
I think
for
it's a
a good
fair
price,
price.
kan?
Yes. Okay. All right, goodie. Thank you guys. And stay tuned with us because we are moving into a very interesting segment after this, which is
a game show called apa namanya?
ni.
Bawa Petang. Bawa Petang. But it's a game show, so we'll have fun.
Sebab jangan terkinja-kinja sangat. Ya? Okay, kita jumpa lepas ni.
Okay guys, kita dah masuk dalam segmen Bawa Bertenang.
Bertenang,
Okay,
yang terakhir.
our game show ni last ya. So kita ada questions yang kita akan tanya pada Datin Mara Farida and Tony Yusof.
Saya nervous
So,
ni.
nervous ya? Pastikan anda terus nervous. Soalan pertama. According to Wikipedia, who is Siti Nurhaliza? Is she a Vidwanita Negara, singer, songwriter, businesswoman? Apakah?
Singer. Businesswoman. Semualah.
Semua tu. Okay, betul.
that.
Betul. Okay, number 2.
1-0.
Menurut
Bukan penalty ke sebab belum habis soalan dia.
Sebab I dah tahu dah jawapan dia.
Menurut
Betul ke?
Okay, second question tau. Menurut nampaklah ni.
Tak.
Menurut Datuk Seri Siti Nurhaliza, siapakah penyanyi nombor 1 negara dan kadang-kadang nombor 2 Malaysia? Meaning, Datuk Seri Siti says, dialah penyanyi nombor 1 negara, kadang-kadang nombor 2. Who could it be?
Kenapa kadang-kadang nombor 2?
Alah, joke diorang lah,
Okay.
kawan. Yeah, there's a joke that's been going on.
Okay.
Dia kata, Datuk Seri kata, dia memang penyanyi nombor 1 negara.
Okay.
Okay.
Siapa sih?
No. Bukan.
I tahu nama penyanyi tu, I tak ingat nama dia.
Okay, tapi I bagi clue. Sebab orang ni bukan penyanyi yang betul-betul penyanyi. Dia bit more of a comedian, bit more of a businessman or businesswoman.
Lelaki.
Macam tu. So this is like a joke between them lines in the industry.
Lelaki.
Macam mana nak bagi dia punya...
Okay, in 10, 9, 8,
dia pun ada datuk juga kat depan.
6, 5, 4,
Okay.
Anwar Azin? Bukan.
3,
Salah.
2,
Ini pelawak.
1.
Businessman je.
Siapa?
Datuk Ali Syukrinya.
Serius.
Oh, memang joke lah.
Memang joke. Inside joke.
Inside joke lah.
Nama penyanyi
kita
nombor
yang
pecah kepala. Okay,
Tak
ini kosong-kosong.
lupakan
Okay,
kekecewaan
lupakan.
lalu. Number 3. What is the highest mountain in Malaysia?
Tidak malu.
Pandai lah Tony. You want to try number 4, number 5, number 6?
Okay, soalan
Sebab
nombor 4.
I ingat in the world. Ya, macam bukan in the world.
Okay.
Okay. Apa benda yang perutnya, kakinya, matanya dan mulutnya semua di kepala?
Oh, how tricky. Apa benda yang perutnya, matanya, apa lagi? Kakinya,
semuanya di kepala.
semua di kepala.
Kenapa soalan macam ni?
Sebab
tu
memang
membuat
masuk akal. Tak, memang masuk akal. Memang logik.
Kaki dekat
Kalau
kepala.
susah sangat, you bagi sikit min. Sebab Tony memang susah
Dah
sikit.
tak dapat nak clue dia ni dah.
Dia
Ni.
tahu apa dia. Rustic.
Tak betul. Ni memang
Nak
betul.
macam ni.
Semuanya dekat kepala. Ya.
Tak apa, tangan.
Tangan, perut, kaki, kepala, buntut, semua. Ketam.
Spider.
No.
Ni bukan binatang betul lah.
Betul.
Ni binatang betul.
Betul. Countdown.
Aku merasa kesian pada mereka-mereka ini.
Octopus.
No.
10.
Jellyfish. No.
9.
Starfish.
No.
8. 7.
I don't know.
6.
Tak tahu. Putu. Nak mencarut.
Yeah.
Yep. Bam.
Ya.
Iya. Macam tu ya.
Okay.
Next. Betul tak? Semua perut di kepala, di kaki, di tangan, di semua kat kepala you.
Okay. I dah bayangkan benda lain.
Soalan kali ni soalan kira-kira. Okay.
Gotta start counting.
Wake up.
Okay.
9 times 9
Okay, get it?
plus 9.
I need my calculator.
Okay, 9 darab 9 tambah 9 tambah 10.
100.
Oh.
100.
Very good.
Sekolah Cina, Mak.
Sekolah Cina, Mak. Oh my God. Dia betul juga.
Alamak.
Betul juga. Tapi tak qualify.
Okay.
Tak jadi
Next,
langsung.
Okay, next. What is the tallest waterfall in the world? Niagara. No.
Yeah.
Victoria.
No.
No.
Is it Niagara?
No. Niagara Falls. No.
Sophia Jean Waterfall.
No! Oh my God, ya Allah. Lihat Sophia Jane ada banyak Karin. Nama kita bila, Bek?
Itulah. Ini pula nama kita ni.
Ada.
Okay. Apa jawapan?
Angel Falls in Venezuela.
Nampak
Niagara Falls tu
Tak
yang
betul.
paling famous tu ni dekat
Yeah, tapi that's not the
negara. Di
tallest,
negara.
right? Yeah.
Okay,
Angel
so
Falls,
itu soalan from kita kepada guests.
Korang punya soalan.
Lepas tu
orang
kita
pula,
dengan
kan?
you all pula nak tanya kita, is it
Tak
true?
ngata. Kita dah bagi kat dia bagi je.
Dia nak malukan
tanya
kita
kat
pula.
kita
Dia nak show kita, dia datang show kita, dia nak malukan kita pula.
Cuba
Okay,
tanya
okay.
saya.
Yeah, but because kita good sport, kita okay je. Okay.
Kita honest.
Kakak,
You all kena mention 3 lagu Michael Jackson.
Beat It, Thriller, A Man in the Mirror. Oh,
Okay.
pandai.
Okay,
Next.
Showing your age.
It's okay.
Oh, Michael Jackson. Yeah.
Yeah.
Dalam banyak-banyak ikan, ikan apa yang paling terror main gitar?
Banyak-banyak ikan apa yang terror main gitar. Ini soalan sendiri ni.
Soalan dia lah tu. Kan dalam main gitar.
Kik, mak iloi. Apa?
Alah, I don't know. Ikan apa?
Siapa nak? Clue.
Dia ikan tu bang, dia terror main gitar lah.
Geram je
Apa? Tak tahu.
Malam ni.
Tak tahu. Okay, tak tahu.
Kau tahu.
Okay.
Ikan goreng!
Alah.
Benci tu.
Itu suka tau.
Kenapa tu? Soalan macam tu.
Tidak pun siapa minta pun sebenarnya. Okay, continue. Lain?
Pasal masih single tau.
Jadi jawab.
Okay.
Soalan ni senang.
Tak apa tanya. Bukan sekadar yang senang pun minta dijawab juga kadang.
Oh, Bina cat boleh.
Apa capital? Canada.
Toronto. Vancouver lah. Okay, not Canada, not Vancouver. Oh my God, I know.
It's come on. I ingat senang ni.
Auckland, Australia.
I need my son.
Aduh.
I don't know.
Canada.
I don't know. Maybe I know. I forgot.
Tak, memang we know, but we forgot.
Yeah.
God.
It's chilling.
Okay.
Just chilling.
Okay, but what does it start with? What does it start with? Just the letter.
Just
Kalau I
letter.
cakap letter mesti tahu.
Tak adalah. Doesn't mean. I
Yeah.
Okay,
know.
the last letter.
Susah macam tu.
Come on, guys.
Go ahead. I'm chilling.
What? Ottawa.
But Ottawa is Japan. No. It's not the Japan.
Canada.
But it sounds like Japan.
Japan. No,
It's
but it's not.
it's no stupid. No, it's it sound like it's Japan. Okay, continue.
The couple like to justify.
Okay, continue. Next.
Next.
Lagi, okay. Dalam banyak-banyak perut apa yang warna hijau?
Oh no.
Makan hijau.
Beruk
Hijau.
Shrek beruk ke?
It's just hijau.
Grinch.
Yeah, Grinch. I got beruk warna hijau. No. Chimpanzee. Apa dia?
Brokoli lah, weh. Oh my God, brokoli.
Tapi kau tekan tu.
Aduh.
Dia pegang. Oh my God. Yeah, I remember.
So ni, untuk you dapat a girlfriend later on, you gonna try use different jokes, you know?
No, I will continue doing this because kalau ada I jumpa perempuan yang suka joke,
Mana
Lain
you
je.
accept you for who you are.
dan
Yeah.
we are soulmates.
Yes, don't change.
I
Don't
accept-
change.
I accept
Don't
that.
change.
Okay, next. You wanna
Okay,
ask
next
something
dia
else?
bukan soalan tau.
Okay.
Dia siapa
adalah
menang?
Letak ya.
Siapa menang? Tak ya. Yang boleh bagi the most sexiest pose.
Okay, bye.
Siapa kat sini boleh bagi the most sexiest
Sexiest
pose?
Ala-ala Maria Farida punya pose.
Wow, Mara Farida. Tunjuk
Who
yang kita
can
follow.
imitate me the best?
Wow.
Bercakap tu boleh lah.
Pose je.
Posture. Satu pose. Dua
Satu.
pose.
Satu, dua
Satu,
ke?
dua pose. Kan kalah juga lagi kena picit kan. Macam mana kita duduk macam dia lah. Macam mana?
Berdiri punya pose. Bukan
What
duduk.
is your pose, ha? Apa pose dia? Mak tak tahu
It's
ya.
the same. The kaki very poised. Think of
Baju mak loose.
I tunjuk you.
Think of a
tunjuk,
cabin
tunjuk,
crew. Yes.
Tunjuk please. Kan? Wow. Tu.
Not
Betul
bad,
tak?
right?
Not bad.
Not
Betul lah. Mama
saya cakap.
semua tu
Dia
DM.
macam cabin crew, tak cabin crew
Right,
model.
okay,
model
kan.
gitu.
Kita tunjuk off shoulder lagi.
I cannot blame them, okay?
Kan,
I cannot blame them.
Pemenang
Yes.
dia ialah Tony.
Tony,
Yeah,
betul,
oh my
betul,
God.
betul,
With
betul.
flying colours.
Dia ada
Betul.
satu soalan lagi.
Apa tu?
Apa? Okay.
Baru
Okay.
dua soalan.
Okay.
Okay, last question. Mana nasi lemak yang paling sedap di Singapura?
I was just there in Singapore.
Does it look like I would know? Huh?
Oh, must we know?
Must we know? We should know.
Nasi lemak
Because
paling-
kawan kita Abil always go to Singapore and eat that nasi lemak, the sedap one.
Aiman?
Tampines.
Newton Circle.
Kan.
I kena
Nasi lemak yang ditapau oleh JB.
Wah. Okay, kau sama ada kan? Kau nak siku ke nak lutut?
Geramnya lah.
Okay.
Tapi betul.
Kan?
Betul sangat.
Okay, nasi lemak Andy.
Apa dia?
Nasi lemak apa?
Macam mana?
Nasi lemak yang dibungkus
bungkus
dari
dari
JB.
Dari
Bawa
JB.
ke Singapura.
Confirm nasi lemak paling sedap.
Confirm yang paling sedap
Kan
lah.
for
Sebab memang
years they
susah
have
nak cari.
this
Nasi lemak
war
Singapura,
kan.
come on. Come on, nasi lemak.
Siapa punya lagi sedap? Chicken rice Malaysia ke
Kita
chicken rice
lah.
Kari Malaysia ke
contest
kari
lah.
Singapura?
Kalau fine
It's
dining,
always-
diorang tak boleh lawan lah. Fine dining, diorang memang power lah.
okay.
Masakan yang untuk rakyat mahal.
ongoing.
Orang kata comfort food, traditional food, we win.
street food. It's ours. Yes, it's
Oh
ours.
my God. Sabar je lah.
Terima kasih lah banyak Tony.
Terima kasih lah banyak Tony.
So, dengan Singapore netizens pula lepas ni ya.
Tak apalah, sikit-sikit manja-manja tak apalah.
Ya.
Terima kasih juga kepada Datin Maria Farida kita. Okay,
and also Tony Yusof. And also tahukah anda yang kita berada di atas kerusi yang sangat mahal daripada
Yes.
Ambient Living?
baru nak cakap.
Ya, dan lantai yang mahal daripada Floor.
So kalau you all suka, you all seronok melihatnya, you can come to Ambient Living di PJ sahaja.
Yeah.
You can come to this enormous gallery, this showroom, you boleh tengok, you can feast your eyes and pilih apa you all nak. So once again, terima kasih sangat-sangat kepada Tony Yusof, terima kasih kepada Datin Maria Farida for being here, for being so fun.
Yup.
Tapi sebelum tu, we would like to thank our sponsors, Ambient Living, M-Floor, kita ada Alibaba
Alibaba,
Karaoke, kita
Elise.
ada Haria Spa, we also have Elise.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much. Mwah.
Bye, guys.